Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete profile picture on X. So actually X doesn't have an option to delete your profile picture. However, you can achieve this look if you delete your current profile picture and you replace it with a generic default image. So let me show you how to do it, but first of all, let's go to browser and you have to search for X default profile picture. Go to images at the top and find clear image of the generic profile picture, and now let's save it as usual. Now let's go back to X and let's upload the new image as your profile picture. So now you have to tap your profile picture in the top left, and in the side menu you want to select profile, and you have to tap your avatar over here and select edit button. Now let's go to my avatar section, simply tap on it and select photo library. Now from the list of your photos you have to select your photo that you have just downloaded. Also, you can adjust the image to fit the circle like this. And let's tap apply in the top right, tap done, and to save changes you have to tap save in the top right corner of your screen. And as you can see, my profile picture is now looking like generic default avatar, which makes it look as if I would delete my custom profile picture. So that's basically how you can delete your profile picture on X, and that's the only way how you can do it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.